combined with various modules and provides strong power. Has a compact storage size, consistent design and color, glare flashlight, 1650 lumens high brightness, 5 switching modes such as high, medium, low, strobe, SOS, after adjusting the focus. The farthest irradiation distance can reach 400 meters. Large aperture, wider irradiation area. Put on a lampshade and instantly become a lighting lamp. Battery life up to 20 hours. Can be used as a spotlight. Can be mounted on bicycles with brackets. The power bank can quickly charge the mobile phone at the same time. Similar to the lighting effect of car headlights, it is safer to ride at night. Combined with a tripod, it can be turned into a camping light. Combined with the hanging buckle, it can be used as a tent light. The power bank supply can supply power for car appliances such as car refrigerators. USB can output 22.5 W power. The top supports 15 W wireless charging. Car washer. Better ergonomics. Comes with hose and water bag. 200 psi water pressure. 6 kinds of water outlet shades. Comes with a dense foam spray can. 40 minutes battery life. Can be used to clean walls or floors. Can also water the garden. Vacuum cleaner. Delicate and compact. Has an astonishing vacuum of 19,500 pascals. Battery life up to 60 minutes. Comes with extension tube to clean corners. Can be used as an electric vacuum bag pump. Tire inflator pump. When tire pressure is low, it can quickly inflate tires. Inflate large tires size 255, 50R20. From 0 psi, 36 psi. Just 6 minutes. Can inflate the bike. Can inflate balls and airbags. Mobile phone holder. When charging wirelessly, the mobile phone holder can better fix the mobile phone. The power bank adopts Type-C charging interface. We are committed to building a brand new product ecosystem for global users, which will cover up to 20 products that can meet the needs of various life scenarios such as home, car, and
As an outdoor lover, when we jump into the car but encounter an unexpected situation. Introducing Timigo X1 4-in-1 portable car combo kit. The kit that all you need. Plug in the car jump starter adapter and quickly turn on the engine, and it's 1200 amps current capable for a variety of large vehicles. And now, here we go. Let's enjoy the stunning view on the way. But sometimes incident happens. X1 pumper can replenish the tire pressure in 2 minutes. Also, it detects air pressure and stops working when the air pressure reaches automatically, not only for car tires but also to inflate the ball, bicycles, mattresses, etc. Oops. Luckily, we have a vacuum cleaner. With a higher power motor, the X1 suction power up to 10,000 pascals. Combined with the brush head and extension bar, you can clean all spots in your car, including corners and hard-to-reach areas. It's time to enjoy and chill now. The X1 Portable Car Combo Kit has a USB output for daily use. It contains a battery of 10,000 mAh capacity for a long duration. X1 flashlight has various modes, including high and standard brightness, flashing, and SOS signal. The brightness can reach 300 lumens, fully meeting the outdoor and dark environment needs. So, why don't you put a handy tool in the trunk? Right, I mean, the Timigo X1 4-in-1 Portable Car Combo Kit.
What if we told you we can make your car shine in 20 minutes without water anywhere you want? Introducing Rubbit, the eco-friendly waterless car wash kit. Rubbit makes DIY car washing easy, time-saving, and accessible. You just spray the Rubbit foam onto your car and wipe it. No hose, no mess. Within 20 minutes, your car will be clean as new, and all that in $1 per wash. We believe car washing shouldn't be so wasteful and time-consuming. That's why we designed Rubbit to help wash your car effortlessly and save significant amounts of water while using both sustainable and degradable materials. With our eco-friendly kit, you can wash your car anywhere, anytime, and without the need of going through this again. This is how it works. You combine 5 caps of Rubbit foam concentrate with only 40 ounces of water inside the foam sprayer. After pumping the sprayer to create the ideal pressure, you spray a thin layer of foam onto your car. The foam lifts and absorbs the dirt and creates thick lubrication. Our high-density microfiber towels effectively wipe the dirt, leaving your car shiny without the risk of scratching the paint and without the need for rinsing before or after. And in case you were wondering, yeah, it removes bird poop too. Easily. Following our successful pilot program in the past year with 10,000 happy customers, we've gathered all the necessary feedback to develop an even more efficient, higher quality concentrate. We've extensively researched and developed the perfect formula yet. And now, we're very excited to bring Rubbit Foam 2.0 to the global market. With its neutral pH level, it guarantees effective and safe use, not only for your car's paint, interior surfaces, tires, and rims, but also for your skin, respiration, and the environment. When you wash your car with Rubbit, you only use 40 ounces of water per wash. In comparison, a regular home wash typically uses about 40 gallons of water, while a basic car wash tunnel can consume over 120 gallons per wash. The Rubbit Classic Kit includes a professional foam sprayer, 6 high-quality microfiber towels, a bottle of Rubbit Foam 2.0 concentrate that provides up to 25 washes, which makes it $1 per wash. Buy the kit once, refill the foam forever. Oh, and also an air freshener Rabbit. Rubbit makes this dreaded chore into a fun, spontaneous event, whether it's by yourself or with your kids and family. To make this happen, we need your help. Get yourself our eco-friendly car wash kit and help us bring Rubbit to the world. Rubbit, redefining car wash.
Meguiar's Complete Car Care Kit features premium quality product and a convenient, affordable bundle to clean and care for your vehicle. Meguiar's Gold Class Car Wash and Ultra Plush Microfiber Wash Mitt will wash and remove loose contaminants. Meguiar's Premium Clay Bar and Quick Detailer are included to remove bonded contaminants. And for that inevitable light scratch or scuff, Meguiar's Scratch X 2.0 is a quick cure for paint. Gold Class Liquid Wax provides lasting shine and protection for paint, while Endurance Tire Gel does the same for tires. Keep your interior fresh and clean with Meguiar's Quick Interior Detailer. Finally, plastics can be used to restore and beautify headlights, clear plastics, and more. With Meguiar's Complete Car Care Kit, your car is covered.
Everyone is in a hurry. Everyone has to go somewhere. Rather to your next business meeting. Or go to take your daily coffee. But nobody is ready for a car breakdown. It can happen to anyone and shake up our daily routine. That's why AGA News Tech pleased to present its new jump starter. With his 2 USB ports and his 10W wireless charge, the A40 will change your life and make it easier. After years of intense research, the AGA News Tech team has just released its model, which is a revolution in the industry. The AGA A40, the lightest and yet most powerful jump starter and wireless power bank. Easy to use and plug in, the AGA A40 can start your cars in just 4 steps. Step 1. Just connect the clips to the battery. Step 2. Connect the red connectors to the red terminal of your vehicle and perform the same maneuver by connecting the black connector to the black terminal of the vehicle. Step 3. When the blue light has been verified, all you have to do is start your car. Step 4. You can remove the clip and you can drive now. Thanks to its wireless system, the jump starter can also charge your phone during your trip. It can withstand the most extreme temperatures, so your jump starter will help you get through even the harshest winters. Support our Kickstarter and be early backer to get 62% off of regular price.